One of the most difficult classroom tasks for a student with an auditory processing disorder is note-taking. Although many teachers are moving away from the traditional lecture and note-taking style in their classrooms, students are still expected to take notes on a regular basis. Notability is an iPhone, iPad, and Android app that can support students with auditory processing disorders and all students through the note-taking process. The app itself has a great tutorial that walks new users through its features, and we will be walking through a few of those features today. To begin, take a look at the blank page. This is what will open every time you open the Notability app on a new slide. From here, students or teachers can use the handwriting tool, the highlighter, the eraser, or add images of their own. All of the tools are located along the top bar of the app. In order to use the handwriting tool, select the pencil icon, and then students can select the width, the depth, and the color of the handwriting that they would like to use with either their finger or a stylus. Students can also highlight once they've written or typed something in any color. And of course, typing. Students can type notes, teachers can type notes to share with students later, and then those notes can be edited and highlighted at will. One unique feature of the Notability app is the opportunity to change the background. Students who struggle with seeing a plain white background with black text can change to an off-white or to a yellow color. Also, students in a math class might want to change the background to graphing paper to be more useful in that class. Teachers can also add media by adding a photo or stickies, which can be extremely beneficial in a classroom setting. To add media, click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, select photo or whichever kind of media you would like to add. This is particularly useful in a classroom if you want to do any kind of annotating. For example, I could add in an image of Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven if we wanted to annotate that as a class. I could type directly on top of it, write directly on top of it, or as the case may be, highlight any important passages. I can then save this and share it with the rest of my class. One of the best features of Notability is the ability to record and add those recordings to your notes. So teachers could record an entire lecture and share that lecture not only with students, but also with parents, tutors, or any other support networks that your student with an auditory processing disorder might have. Finally, the best use of Notability is sharing. These notes can be shared via email, added to a Google Drive, shared out on a class Twitter, or printed from a PDF. Notability is a very beneficial tool for students with auditory processing disorders.